Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. I'm in front of all these beautiful hydrangeas here in Natick, Massachusetts at Barry's Greenhouses. This is a wholesale operation, and these are going to be used for the holidays. And one of the reasons I wanted to show you these is that these are not hardy here in northern sections of the United States. It's too cold for them. So they look beautiful and they'll flower, and they're great this time of the year. But if you plant them in the ground, they probably will not come back and flower. Now, as soon as you get to zone 7B, 8, 9, much hardier, but in zones 3, 4, 5, 6, and even early into zone 7, these will probably either die or only the greens will come back the following year. So you want to check out these plants when you buy them and ask whether it's hardy. If it's not, here's what you can do. You can enjoy it through the season, let it flower, use it as a beautiful plant outside all summer long, and then just put it in a cool spot for the winter. I keep mine in the garage, believe it or not, and that's just enough warmth in the attached garage. It gets below freezing that the plant doesn't die, and then the following year it's in this big container, it comes back, and I get all these beautiful flowers like this during the course of the summer. So not all hydrangeas are hardy. Some of the ones that you see like this, if you put them in the ground, likely they will never flower again, and that's probably the reason why. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.